Hiya again. So, okay, where are we today? Well, we're in Cornwall, and what we've been doing, we've been looking around for somewhere to stay where we can come straight out of where we're staying and go straight on the water. So we came to here. Now we've come to Fowey in Cornwall, on the River Fowey, but there's a little sort of river that comes off of it called Pont Pill. And we are staying in a wonderful property, and when I say it's right near the water, trust me, it's right near the water. So we're up on top of here, we're staying there in Moon Cottage, and we are launching from there. How cool is that? That's not bad, is it? Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And we're going to go that way. We're going to go all the way down to Fowey Harbour. Going to turn left. Going to go right out of Fowey Harbour into the English Channel. We're going to follow the cliffs along for about another mile, 2 miles. And then we're going to come in at a place called Lantic Beach, Lantic Bay. And then we've just got to walk all the way back over the top of the mountain to get back to here again. So deflate, stick it on my back, walk back again. Anyway, as you can see, we're all pumped up. Let's go. Right, bear with me. I've got to get my paddle. Right ho, we are off. Let's go. Brilliant stuff. Okay, let's have a look to the left. Look at that place. That's marvellous, isn't it? Okay, so there's been somebody here since 600 AD. That was a guy called Willow. He was a Christian hermit, and he fell out with some people and they chopped his head off. And apparently, which is why he's Saint Willow, is because he carried his head all the way to the bridge. And they built a church at the top of the hill to celebrate Willow. So that was at 600 AD. Wow, look at this place. This is beautiful, isn't it? And then there were the lime kilns. There was a lime kiln that you just saw as we left. And there's also been, they used to bring big ships down here to victual them, to fill them full of supplies, and to drop off all sorts of stuff and take the lime away for farms. And also the house we're staying in was a pub for a while as well, an inn for a while, so it's got lots and lots of history here. Look at this, look at the mist on the top of the water, isn't it great? Yeah, I'll tell you what, it don't get any better than this, does it? This is like a film set. It's not often you get to stay somewhere where you can watch the tide coming in and going out. I really love that. Where you can see the line. It's gone down a lot, hasn't it? So it was high tide about, what was it? What did we say? 6 o'clock this morning, wasn't it? Roundabout. And it's just gone 8 now. Yeah. Yeah, it sort of comes up in line with the trees, doesn't it? Where the bottoms of the trees just sort of kiss the water. Yeah.
Image.
Oh God, this is brilliant. Just need to have a look around behind us. Yeah. I'll tell you what, if you was a little Christian martyr, you wouldn't mind living here, would you?
Well,
Old St Willow.
I don't
I mean, you wouldn't want your head cut off, obviously, but...
No, but it's like they said about going down Monsell Trail, didn't
Yeah.
they? You know, the drivers never saw the beauty because...
No, that's true. But I mean, it was all smugglers and pirates around here as well. This is a proper smuggling place, this is, isn't it? If you want smugglers, come to Cornwall.
Fisher.
Yeah, it was. Kingfisher. Wow.
I'm glad it wasn't just me.
Same one, do you reckon, from yesterday?
No idea.
Might be. That's good. Not a breath of wind at the moment, is there? Look at that mist on top of the water over there.
Yeah.
That's great, isn't it? Oh, sunshine in front of us. This is just breathtaking, actually.
It is, literally.
Let's take a breath.
Yeah, I'm pumped.
No, it is though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the other thing that happened down here, just yet another thing that happened down here was the during World War II they refurbished motor torpedo boats down here because they could hide them from the air underneath the overhanging trees, which was pretty clever.
It does make you wonder, because obviously it's been, what, 70, 80 years since the war?
Yeah.
Trees actually.
How much there was, yeah, but then I suppose they're just regenerating all the time, aren't they? And this is all oak that you can see here, which I find amazing really, because it's quite salty water here, isn't it? Well, it's very salty. I mean, this is the sea. Now, you know, the river that feeds into it, it's only a little one. So I'm guessing that they're dragging their water from sort of somewhere else. So that's Fowey right in front of us on the other side of the bank of the River Fowey. That's lovely, isn't it? Isn't that lovely? You'd really, honestly, you'd be alright if you were selling white paint around here, wouldn't you? All the houses, everything seems to be painted white. Yeah. And we're in the sunshine. That's an old slipway, isn't it? Is this the place you were talking about with the boarded up house?
Could be.
That's the one I could see on Google Earth. That bit.
Yes, it must. Yes, it is.
Is it? Yeah, so it is. So there's a great big boarded up house up there. Let's buy it. I want to live here. God, look at this. The water's really clear, isn't it?
Yeah. They're mussels.
Yeah. Oysters, I think. Yeah, they're oysters, aren't they? Wow. Yeah. That is brilliant. So we've got all these moored boats in front of us, just in the mouth of Pont Pill, and from the air and from the top of there, when you look down, it looks like a car park full of boats. God, look, see all the oysters down there? There's millions of them.
Oh yeah.
Wow. We could shuck some oysters later.
No.
Yeah, you don't fancy a raw oyster slipping down then? Like so much phlegm. Who on earth would do that and say it was fun? Quite fancy the black one, the black boat, don't you? That's nice, isn't it? That looks proper James Bond, doesn't it?
Pioneer.
See, that looks a bit James Bond villain. And that house, that is definitely got a James Bond villain living in that.
Yeah, that was built, what, 2003?
Yeah, there's somebody sitting right in the middle of there looking out the window stroking a white cat. Yeah.
Swan.
Stroking a white swan. Yeah, maybe. So up there, in among all of those white houses, there's a blue one. I bet they get on well with their neighbours.
Yeah, it's probably one of those, oh, you won't see it after a few years.
Yeah. Yeah, it'd be fine. Yeah.
Sort of blending.
It'll need 16 coats of white to get rid of that blue, I can tell you that. This is amazing, isn't it? I love this so much.
Oh, I like the little grey movie house. To the right.
Grey movie house, where?
Like,
Oh, I see, yeah, sort of like a lavender. Yeah, I quite like that. So, and also, right up on top of this corner here was where, during the English Civil War, Charles I was overlooking Fowey, and somebody from the other side shot a cannonball and nearly killed him. And apparently according to the plaque up the top, a few minutes later, a farmer was standing there and actually got killed by the cannonball rather than the king, which was jolly lucky for the king, but then he still got his head cut off a few months later anyway, or a few years later. So it's all happening around here. And when we were here yesterday, because yesterday was Saturday afternoon, they were racing yachts round and round over in the actual main stretch of the river and blowing lots of hooters and all sorts of stuff. So I suppose that's what you do when you race yachts.
I think you hear them when they go around, on the right one's towels, don't you?
Yeah, that's right. I don't know if it's whenever one goes over a line or something, a hooter blows, or a particular race is starting with a hooter and cannons going off and all sorts of things. It was all very exciting.
Practically notes when people are going over the line.
Maybe, yeah. I don't know. I'd have to look it up. I like this big Fairline one. Fairline Targa 38, that is. Let's buy one of those. We'll get one of those next Wednesday. Yeah. Right, so this here on the left is Pole Ruin, it's called. They refer to it as a fishing village, but actually I looked it up and there's been hardly any fishing coming from it. It's not really a fishing village. It was mostly known for shipbuilding. And in the 1400s, there were some of the king's ships were built there. And in 1500, there was a pirate ship that was stopped, that had been built there. And to give you an idea of how big it was, that pirate ship had 200 men on it, all armed and ready to go. So that was a big ship. Bearing in mind that was 100 years before the Mary Rose, you know, that was a big ship. That was in sort of 1450-ish. Crazy stuff. But yeah, so that's Pole Ruin. And that's Fowey, Pole Ruin, and we're going straight out there. And up that way is going inland. So the thing about Pole Ruin is it's all built on this side of the hill. The sea is on the other side of the hill, so all of the bad weather that comes in from the sea never gets to the houses. That's really clever, isn't it? It's almost like they thought about it.
Like that ship.
Sun out.
Got like a little turret over there.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah. I wonder what that was for. Lookout station or something, perhaps. Because this here, this is called the blockhouse. And the blockhouse used to connect up with another blockhouse on the other side, which is just around the corner, I think. Oh no, there it is. There's the other blockhouse over there, the ruined one on the other side. And there used to be a chain went across there in the water to stop the Dutch fleets coming in and invading us. And they would let the chain go slack so that the ships could go over the top of it coming in. And then they'd pull it tight again to sort of shut the gate. The blockhouse on this side is apparently looked after quite well. The blockhouse on the other side, obviously Fowey's side, they've let it go to rack and ruin. So we're going to go out of the harbour and do a left. Tell you what, this is really calm, isn't it?
Oh, we took you through their days.
Yeah.
And that's just Catherine's castle, isn't it?
Yes, St Catherine's is over there right in front of us now. St Catherine's Castle. But also, isn't that Ready Money Cove in front of us? Huh? With all the boys in front of it, that's Ready Money Cove, isn't it? Right in front of us.
Yeah.
The swimming place, you can go swimming there, can't you?
Yeah.
You're not allowed to have any powered boats in there. Oh, that's interesting. There's a Second World War pillbox over there. Which is nice, isn't it?
Yeah, you think you're back in Wales again, aren't you?
Yeah. Hello there.
Morning!
Oh, you might be able to. Should we have a look? Let's go and look at where the cross is. You see where the cross is? Huh? It's a navigation beacon, isn't it? Yeah, it will be. So on the way in, that you keep that on your left in the dark, because it's red port left, isn't it? So that's Mavagissy over there in the distance, right over there, just past where the blue boat's going. Think we can get through that gap?
I'm looking at the left of it, where that gully's on it goes.
Oh, I see, yeah. Okay, let's have a look. Is this Washing Rocks? Oh, we are as far as Washing Rocks, aren't we? I quite like that cross there. It seems a bit foreboding. Oh.
That's what I just said. Devon, so many wild.
Yeah.
Or Landon, or Kayak.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to get through there.
No?
No.
What about the little one on the right?
No.
You reckon?
No.
Should we just check?
I know.
Do you?
Yeah.
But you might be wrong. I reckon we can get through there. We've been so skinnier bits than that, haven't we?
Well,
let's have a go.
we'll navigate. Oh, slow down, slow down.
We seem to be stuck. Let's go backwards. Oh, yeah, so anyway, we can't go through there. So that was one of Trevor's best ideas. It gets better. Who are you calling idiot? I was just testing the width of it, that was all. I knew we couldn't get through. I was just testing the width of it, using the boat like a gauge. Ah, yeah. What? Well, once again, we've got a lovely calm sea, haven't we? Within reason. Huh? Yeah, mate. This is pretty bright, isn't it? Must be looking directly into the east then.
Going in?
Could do, if you want. Yeah, let's go in. Let's take a look. Wow. Yeah. Well, I like the way it swells down and then comes up again. Oh. Yeah, that's fun. To the left, I think. Oh, it's funny paddling uphill, isn't it? Oh. If you could just move the sun out of my eyes, that'd be lovely. Can you do that for me? Yeah, but you're at the front, so you're closer to it. Yeah. No, if you could hold your hat up in front of it while I paddle. I'll do the driving. You hold. We should have brought a parasol, some sort of sunshade. I must admit, do you know what? Out of all of the planning that we've put into this, the sun, the position of the sun didn't sort of come into it. I didn't think of that at all. Yeah, oyster catchers at the back, gulls at the front. I think that's part of the system, the pecking order. Yeah. I suppose the gulls, if they got a chance, they'd have an oyster catcher, wouldn't they? If they could sort of beat it to death. Oh look, it's all off. Very seamlessly done. Not noisy at all either. That one got left behind. He's thinking, where they all gone? Well, I smell or something. Oh, this is pretty stirring stuff here, isn't it? Yeah, I know, that's what I just said. Got a little way to go yet though. This is quite hard work, this bit. We just went up in the air. I went to paddle and I missed the water. I was up too high for the water. There was a big gap underneath us. We should go between that rock and the shore. Just for a laugh. Well, because we're so good, I think that'd be funny. Oh, foolhardy as well, but I think it'd be quite funny. Whoa, crumbs. That was hard work, that last bit. Right, here we go. Go a little bit further into shore, shall we? Oh my good God, it's a bit fun. Ready? Whoa. Oh Christ! Ah, the way of that shit! Oh, this is swelly stuff, isn't it? Oh. Yeah, I enjoyed that. That was a lark. Oh. I'll tell you what, this trip, this is the first one I think we've done for a while actually, that back there behind us, if we'd have had to abandon ship, we'd have had nowhere to go. Hey. You know, because the rocks and all the rest of it was so high up, I mean. I'm Sure, we'd have made arrangements, but Christ almighty, we don't want to. I think we probably want to go to the right a bit. Whoa. Right, now there's a little... Oh. Yep. Hang on, it's going to wash me, kind of. Oh, we're there. Oh. Right, we're in. Clearly. Oh, this is what we love. Oh God, hang on. Let me clean you. That's better. This is what we love. Places like this. They can't get here any other way apart from by sea. Smugglers. That's what there is here. Smugglers. Hiding their barrels of rum and their doubloons and their parrots. Let's have a look, see what we got. What's in there? Oh, that's quite exciting. Quite a lot of plastic rubbish actually. Let's have a look, see. We've been washed in here. Oh, hello. Someone's been in. Yeah, so we've got plastic. Not too much though, not as much as I thought there'd be. That's not bad though, is it? That's pretty good. Right. Go on, I'm in. Oh. Oh. Right, we're out. Kind of. Left? I think so. God, dear. That was a fight, wasn't it? I enjoyed that though. Our little cove there. Right there. You think? That one? I think, no, I don't think so. I think that one. Whoa, that looks pretty exciting. On the left. Yeah, look at that. That was brilliant. Oh. That was a bit of a fight, wasn't it?
I think the camera's got comfortable again. That's a nice bit of secluded beach in there.
It's lovely, isn't it? Yeah, all of it is. Yeah, really nice. These people are just leaving, look. Isn't it funny how we turn up? We turn up and the boats all suddenly go. It's either I'm not changing my socks enough, or they're all doing drug deals and they think we're the drug dealer police. Rowboat cop. So all of a sudden we don't seem to have much in the way of surf, do we? How strange. Very sheltered here, isn't it? Oh. Right, well, so all we got to do now is get up on the beach, let everything down, put it in the bag and carry it up here, all the way up there, over the top of the mountain, and then all the way down the other side and through the village and back to where we started. That'd be lovely. I'm looking forward to watching you do that. I think so. That'll do, I think.
Yep.
And we're here. They're right about it being a nice swimming beach, isn't they?
Oh, 1 hour 30.
Oh, God.
Oh, that's hard.
Whoa! Oh, that's better. Right, okay. We're done.
That's 1 hour 31.
Was it? Oh, I'm soaked! Ah! No! Splosh. That was wonderful. What a great trip. Thank you so much for bringing me. Oh. Oh. Well, I ain't going to be lifting that anywhere, let me tell you.